Good morning, families.
Happy Friday.
We're back again, and we just want to share our week with you. It was a wonderful week, and actually, we were talking yesterday. This week just flew by. We've had a great week. Our goal in reading this week was to continue building great reading behavior and what good readers do when they are reading. And something that we focused on was how good readers ask themselves questions. That is a hard skill, and that is something that we will continue to model. But we did get to use sticky notes in our independent reading baskets where we can mark our question with a question mark. And it's okay if we didn't find the answer, but we just want to start thinking about what we're reading and asking questions.
Wondering,
yes.
Yeah. We've also been creating mental pictures or visualizing about what we're reading and what we're hearing when we read. And that really helps readers ask themselves, does something make sense? And
it helps them better connect to the text and understand what they're reading. And they had opportunities to share their mental picture with friends. And it was interesting to see how, what I created in my mind was different from what you created in your mind. But we're still reading the same text.
We've also been talking about informational text features, such as table of contents, glossary, labels, how informational texts have pictures, a lot of times photographs rather than illustrations.
And really just understanding how a nonfiction text is organized, because that is something that we will be using a lot for research projects later in the year. In math this week, we focused on showing numbers in different ways. We worked with numbers above 5 and just showing them showing them on a number line, showing them on dominoes, showing them on your fingers, as we mentioned in our Wednesday video.
We've also been focusing on handwriting with numbers and making sure our numbers are formed correctly. And we've really been pushing that this week. So if you see your child writing a number and they happen to be backwards, it's okay to correct them.
Yes, it is developmental, but that's something we just want them to see how we appropriately form each number. And that's something, again, we will continue to work on.
We want to give a big shout out to one of the mommies in my class, Leo's mommy, for coming up with such a great way to help him practice his sight words. And it's a creative way you can also do it with your child. So she writes him notes every day, and and she added the sight words and made simple sentences that he could read. And it was, we like baseball, I like baseball, and just having him have the ability to read his own.
And it even had pictures that she also, which we do as well. But this is something great because I do see a lot of cute notes from mommies and daddies or grandmas, and they aren't able to read it. But if you are able to use their sight words, that would be so exciting for them because they are becoming very independent.
Way to be creative.
Mom. Yes, good job, Mom.
Picture day for us is next Wednesday,
the 22nd. It is Wednesday. Yes.
Okay, so we will be going first thing in the morning, so please have your child in their clothing for their picture. And if you want them to change out of their clothing, make sure you tell them that their clothes will be in their backpack and let them know. Okay?
Yes. Also, thank you for everyone for signing up for conferences. We really appreciate it, and we are looking forward to having some time to chat with you. So if you have not done so already, please make sure you jump on ClassTag and sign up. But we are excited for that.
That's all we have for you today.
That's it. Yeah, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.
Have a good weekend.